Hello, and welcome to this Burn 2 sponsored workshop that I like to call an Introduction to Second Life Video Media Streaming. We are at the Burn 2 Sim, and I would like to remind you that our activities here are to be guided by the 10 principles. If you need a refresher on them, please ask and I can provide you with a note card description. There are two principles that I would like for you to consider as we move through this presentation, and they are radical inclusion and radical self-reliance. If you really want to do this, I am here to help, but there is a lot that you will just have to do for yourself. Now, the scope of this workshop is to provide you with an overview of live streaming from and to Second Life. I am pretty sure that the information that I will be providing is accurate, and I hope to provide live demonstrations during the course of this workshop. If I appear to make a mistake, I would welcome a correction. I do make mistakes and I do not know everything. There are no prerequisites for this workshop. However, it would be nice to have a Second Life viewer that is properly configured to play a media stream. If you can see this video, then you are good to go. I hope to play some videos during this presentation. As a rule, most of the AVs that I work with use the Firestorm viewer, and a good bit of the information that I will be providing will be Firestorm centric. Though that does not mean that you have to have Firestorm, but you would need to make the necessary adjustments yourself. There are no strings attached to the information provided in this workshop. You may find that there are other ways to express yourself with this info, such as vlogging or creating videos that may be posted on YouTube or elsewhere. I would suggest that you consider signing up with the Burn 2 B2TV volunteer group as a way to hone your video skills and to support the Burn 2 community. Now, I would ask that you click on the note card giver that is on the stage. We will read through this note card as the guide for this presentation. Thank you.